Are you looking for the best pro scooters? In this video we will look at some of the best pro scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HEZZO G3036 V500W electric scooter with the super qualified solid, honeycomb tire closing parenthesis tire. Obstacles such as jungle roads, mountain road, hills will not hinder your riding experience. These tires improve shock absorption and slip resistance. The front suspension is a vital upgrade to the previous classic model, and it creates much more comfort of your HEZZO riding experience, which ensure of long distance ride over 37.54 miles. You don't need worry about the shortage of power within a full day riding. Nowadays, there are a lot of complaints to the scooters without waterproof when consumers ride them in humid or raining season, thus there are a high ratio of out of order of usage of scooters. The HEZZO 30 with IPX5 waterproof will get rid of your worries. HEZZO HEZZO 30 app may be connected easily with mobile phone with over 10 different languages. With the app you may lock or unlock your scooter, obtain the useful information of the power level, location and statement of riding miles. HEZZO branded scooter provide a series of free accessories such as high quality backpack, battery chargers, tools for satisfying your pleasure of riding. Number 2. HEZZO F6 folding electric scooter, equipped with a 60 volts 23Ah lithium battery and dual 3200 watts brushless motors, delivering robust performance and reliability for an exhilarating ride. Features front and rear suspension coupled with 10-inch off-road tires for superior stability and control, allowing you to confidently navigate diverse terrains. Constructed from reinforced iron and aluminium alloy, ensuring durability and reliability to withstand daily use and challenging conditions. Foldable design enables easy storage and transport, making it ideal for commuters and outdoor enthusiasts who need convenience. Versatile performance, supports riders up to 200 kilograms, providing a versatile and thrilling riding experience suitable for a range of users. Number 3. Mankeel MK08 350 watts electric scooter. Foldable and portable design. The scooter's foldable feature makes it easy to transport and store, enhancing its portability. Durable aluminium alloy frame constructed with a sturdy aluminium alloy, the frame withstands up to 120 kilograms, ensuring durability. Smart LED display. A clear LED display provides real-time information, including battery life and speed mode, for a smart riding experience. 350 watts electric motor powered by a robust 350 watts motor. This scooter reaches speeds up to 30 km per hour, ensuring a thrilling ride. 30 km max range with a 36 volts 10.4Ah battery. The Mankeel MK08 offers a substantial 30 km range on a single charge. Number 4. SUNNIGOO 3600 watts dual motor electric scooter. This adult electric scooter is equipped with a high-power 3600 watts brushless motor, 3-speed shifting in driving mode. The maximum speed can reach 33 miles per hour to 43 miles per hour. This long-range electric scooter comes with a high-capacity 60 volts 21Ah lithium-ion battery, travel up to 31 to 37 miles per full charge, dual charging ports and recharges full in as little as 5-8 hours. The sports off-road electric scooter features front and rear 160mm disc brakes. The X7 electric scooter boasts a dependable dual suspension system with 4 springs for improved shock absorption, along with 11 inches thick and heavy-duty vacuum off-road tires that provide outstanding adhesion, durability, and heat dissipation. Enjoy a smoother and more comfortable ride. Maximum load capacity up to 330 pounds. The folding electric scooter is equipped with a removable seat, giving you the option to ride either sitting or standing. Its quick fold design allows for easy folding and unfolding in a matter of seconds, making storage a breeze. This e-scooter is the perfect choice for your daily commute to work or school. The adult electric scooter features an LCD screen that shows real-time speed, battery level, mileage, and other information. It also has a lighting system, which includes headlights, front and side colorful LED ambient lights, turn signals, and a brake light. These enhancements ensure safety during night riding. Number 5. Electric scooter for adults. The electric kick scooter has a rated 350 watts motor with up to 700 watts output, delivering max speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and a 20% hill grade climbing ability. A high-capacity lithium battery powers you to ranges of up to 31 miles, on just 6 hours of charging time, while 4 riding modes meet your daily commuting, playing, scooting needs. For providing a more comfortable and stable riding experience, the new electric scooter is taller, wider and longer than ordinary electric scooters with 25% wider handlebars, 47.3 times 21.3, a 13% wider deck, 6.7 watts times 23.6, and 30% fatter tires, 2.5 than other adult e-scooters. Electric scooter for adults can easily accommodate a load of 220 pounds on 9.5 rubber tubeless tires with excellent shock absorption.